Alright, we're going to do a little clean up on a couple things. Make a little mess. Always good to make messes. And these are messy. Very, very messy. Let's see. Find the right spot. Crack this dude open. Come on. Alright, put the bigger one out. Because he don't want to play nicely. Open up. We're here cracking. Crack her open. Yeah, a lot of people don't like messing with these. Of course, they don't pay a whole lot. Peel them open now since I've got them bent part way. Crack it. Sometimes they pop right open, sometimes they can be a pain in the rear. And this one's being a pain in the rear. You gotta get it though. Gotta go get that scrap. Get that scrap. There we go. That's why they're messy. That stuff falls out everywhere. Got you a piece of iron here. And then you got your big mess here. Good piece right there. Pop these dudes right here off. Good piece of metal right there. Must fix that. A chip and hammer. coming out of here. Why and why? You're not being very nice. You are not being very nice. Peel some back. Maybe we can get a better look at it. If you look at this wire, you look at the color of it, this is brass wire. It looks like brass. Could be just copper. Could be just color of it. Wipe at it a bit. Yeah, it could be just copper. Of course, most scrap yards look at that and says, oh, that's just number 2 copper. Let's keep hammering at it. Straighten her out. Alright, let's just this is being very naughty to me. Let's be naughty, man. Just tear into it. Chaos. Oh yeah, it's bouncing now. It's like I'm going fishing here. Keep winding it up. Like I'm doing a little fishing. There's a lot wound on it. Ooh. There's the last of it. Pretty good chunk. But we ain't done yet. We're not done yet. This bad boy cleaned out. That brass looking wire just don't want to come loose. It's just hanging around. There we go. Got that wad out of there. See if we can make some room in here. Why are you not wanting to come out? We will make it come out of there. turd. Wants to get jammed up in there. There's some steel. Now we got this one out. Knock all the stock little stuff off of it. Get it cleaned up. There's a chunk. Get that out of the middle. Well, see if we can get this one cleaned up now. Get all the paper out of it. Don't want to break off, so we're going to have to peel it out. Lots and lots of paper. There we go. Get that chunk of paper out. Scrapyard's tending to frown on all this paper. So we got to get most of it out of there. He's like, oh no, we can't pay for that weight of that paper. Just because it's got paper in it, they want to say, oh, that's breakage. You got paper in it. Difference of about $2.50 a pound. Not really, but breakage is like 11 cents a pound, and number 2, I think last time was like $1.50, $1.80 a pound. There's a big wad of it. Cleaned up pretty good. Pretty good. Cleaned it up. And there you go. Got one of them going. And like you said, mess. There's a couple more things in here. Take and knock all that off of it. And this thing, a little aluminum in there. Little clippers and clip all this off of it. You got your low grade wire here. Clip that out of there. You got little pieces of brass in there. Don't take much to get the wires out. Piece of brass, piece of wire. One of these little guys. I got a bucket of those saved up. This is plastic. Piece of that. Pick the little copper wire I got scattered in here up. Another piece. Here's another one. Get all the goods out. Another piece of brass. Spend a little extra time and cut those pieces of brass off. I just took my bucket up there to the scrapyard for yesterday and 1 bucket of brass. was over $100. So, I mean, if you want to throw the $100 away, go ahead. Because it don't take long just to scatter that around. Clean up our mess here. There we go. Ta-da! Little extra money.